shoot a quick demo video just to show you guys BoxCar in action and all the features that we've added to this live chat application. Now, you guys are probably already aware that live chat can help to dramatically increase conversions, sales, help reduce refund rates, and improve customer service. And what we've done is we've given you the power to add unlimited agents, add BoxCar widgets to unlimited websites, and for a limited time at a one-time cost. Now, what I want to do is show you it has all the core features that most live chat applications have, but it also has kind of a marketer's twist where you can push live call to actions and canned responses directly inside of the chat widget. So what you're looking at right now is the dashboard, where you're going to be able to see all the different websites that you add a chat widget onto your sites. So you can see I have 4 different ones here in this demo account. And then below, you'll be able to see all the different chat agents that are active and answering live chats. And now you'll be able to pass chats to different agents if you want to, and you'll just be able to see who is answering chats on your different sites. Okay. Now, what you're looking at right now is the active chats that are going on. So as visitors visit your website, I'm just going to show you a really quick example of what it's going to look like to the end user. So the person's going to come to, this is just a demo page. You can hear there's a little audio noise just to say, hey, there is a chat widget here. And the person will put in their name and email address. And this is obviously, can be controlled if you want it to be required or not required. That's completely up to you. And then the person is going to ask their question. So they're going to click on start chatting. And as you can see, it updated that chat to the person's name. And you can see the person's email address, their IP address, and when they logged in, and you can start chatting with them. Okay, so it works, it's very similar to any normal chat application. Okay, so if I flip back here, you can see, and you can start your live chat with the visitor. Okay, now this is where you can manage all of your live chats. Now, if the person leaves the page, they're going to get removed out of the active chats, and they're going to get put into this chat area. Okay, this chat page is all of the previous chats that you've had, and you'll be able to go and see the history of that person for later reference if you want to. Okay, now the agents area is where you can add all of your different agents. Okay, so you can add unlimited agents that can help assist with your chats. Okay, you can also specify which websites the agents can access and answer live chat. So maybe you have specific agents for certain brands or for certain websites, you can go and control that as well. Now this is where you're going to add all of your different sites. You just click on create new site. Okay, add in your name, website name, the URL. If you want to enable the sound, if you want to have what we call a guest login, so the person doesn't have to put in their name and email address, they can just ask a question, right? And then you could also control all of the different headings to the chat widget. So the available heading, the unavailable heading. You can capture offline messages if none of the agents are available. So you can keep your chat window on your site, and if no agent is available at that time, it just says, hey, we're offline. You can control what you want it to say there, and it'll capture the person's question. You can answer it through an email reply. Okay, so very, very simple. Now we also have different designs that you can choose from, and see a live preview right here, and you'll be able to control the colors for basically everything, the background colors, the button color, so it can fit with your brands, right? And it's really just that simple. Now once you have your chat widget, all you need to do is take this light JavaScript code and paste it at the end of a body tag. So it can work with any website, WordPress, e-commerce sites. It doesn't really matter, as long as you can just paste this little piece of tracking script onto your site, you'll be able to add the widget onto your page. Okay. Now, we also have a bunch of other features that we've built in that really help to separate BoxCar from other live chat applications. The first one is our integrations. So right now we have integrations with Aweber, MailChimp, and GetResponse. From the time that you're watching this, we've probably already added more, as well as the ability to just copy and paste a raw HTML form code so that you can integrate your autoresponder with BoxCar. Now, what happens is once you've connected your autoresponder, you can push call to actions directly inside of a chat. So, and I'll show you how that's set up here in a second, but from the chat application, say they want to be added to our email list, or they want to request a white paper, or whatever it may be. Click on canned responses, choose, you can organize things by folder, and click my call to action form, and here's a sign up for our 10-week course. Okay, click on select, pushes it directly inside of the chat box. So when I go here, you can see here, and they can put in their name or their email address, and they can sign up for your autoresponder directly from inside of the chat. Now that is really cool. Now the other thing that you can do on top of email submits is also do a call to action button. Okay, so you can do a button. Here's one that I've already created. And as you can see, I mean, this is a pretty bad color, but I can click on select, and there it goes. It just pushed a call to action button directly into the chat widget, okay, which is really, really cool. And so you can go here into your CTA and canned responses. You can create as many folders as you want to. So maybe create a folder for each website, or you can organize it how you want to. And so you can see I have these 3 different options here. I have a canned response that's just plain text. I have my call to action button and my call to action form. So if I wanted to create a new canned response, all I do is click on create new canned response, choose what type of, if it's a call to action or if it's a response. I'm gonna name this, and I'm gonna type my canned response. So this is awesome if you have people asking the same type of questions over and over again. You can push a response directly to them without having to type it over and over again, right? So I can go to my canned responses, choose which folder, and select the response, see a preview of it, and now I can submit that. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to save you so much time being able to send out a canned response. So you can do canned responses, you can do call to action buttons, and call to action email or form submits. Okay. So this can be great for coupon codes. It can be great for literally anything that you want, okay? And so it's really just that simple, guys. Now we also have an automatic translation feature. So when you go in and you set up your account as an agent, all you need to do is select which language you want everything to be translated into, and it's gonna automatically translate it on the fly. So if someone is in Russia and they speak Russian and they send you a message in Russian, it's going to automatically populate in the specific language that your specific agent speaks, okay? So there is no such thing as a language barrier anymore. You can cater and sell and support different visitors from all different languages now, okay? So we've added a lot of really cool features in here. You can check out the rest of the sales page to see all of the other bells and whistles that we've added, and it really helps to separate our BoxCar solution from the other solutions that are out there. Now, for a limited time, you guys are going to be able to get this at a one-time cost. When you're watching this video, I can't promise that option is going to be available. So if it is available now is the best time to lock in your opportunity to pay one time, and you'll have access for life. You're going to have unlimited agents, unlimited websites. Okay. Now the only limitation there is concurrent chats. Okay. So you'll notice that there's 3 different options based on the number of concurrent chats that you want to have. Now, a concurrent chat is just an active chat. So someone that you're actually talking to actively. Okay. So it would take a lot. Now, most people, if you're a small business owner, you could probably get away with 5 or 25 concurrent chats. Okay, if you're a large organization, you may need 25 to 50. Okay, that's completely up to you. But we've given you the ability where, as most competitors charge per agent and per site, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, you can unlimited chat or unlimited agents and unlimited sites.